Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn activity book of English. Open your page number 18. Okay. Do you know which letter is this? H. And what is the sound of H? H. 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 Hat. H. Heart. Is this fence? No. Hen. H. Hen. H. Hammer. H. Horse. G. Grapes. Okay, trace with me. Starting point, come down and down. Again. And cross a line. Starting point, come down, go up, turn a little. Okay, is this capital H and is this small? Okay, color the pictures that begin with H. H, heart, H, hen, H, hammer, H, horse. Okay, open your page number 19. Write the capital H and small h accordingly. Okay, is this capital? Yes, we write small. Is this small? We write capital. Is this capital? We write small. Is this small? We write capital. Is this small? We write capital. Is this capital? We write small. We complete page number 18 and 19. Okay, Allah Hafiz.